Hey everybody, it's Larry with Flying L Comics. It's finally back from CGC. We've been waiting a long time for it. This is the book that had a water stain in it, or actually I'm not sure what the stain was. But it was pretty dark. It could have been Coke, could have been coffee, could have been any number of things. But it's back now. We cleaned it on the last video. You saw how it came out. It came out incredibly good. I was very happy with it. I got some interesting comments from some of you. 99.9% of them were very positive. There's a couple of negative ones. Somebody accused me of switching the book out and deceiving people. It's the same book. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some close-ups, both in plain light and ultraviolet light, and you can clearly see it's the same book. The stain's still there under the ultraviolet light, but I'm not going to keep you in suspense. So we're all here to look to see whether or not it got a blue label, a conserved label, or the purple label of death, or plot as we call it. So I'm not going to keep you waiting anymore. Let's take a look. There you have it. It came back with a CGC 6.5 blue label. I think I quoted it before we even sent it off as about a 6. So I'm happy with the grade. I'm happy that it came out with the blue label. So to cover it in a little bit more depth, please go back and watch the prior video to this one, our whole cleaning process. You'll see that we did a very conservative cleaning on it. We got the stain out. We didn't add to the book, which is automatic blue label, or automatic purple label, I'm sorry. Now, CGC has upped their game now. They're sending back books that normally would have gotten a blue label back as a purple label, and the only comment they put on it is cover cleaned. So we didn't get that with this book. You'll see a lot of people using the hydrogen peroxide sprays. That's fine. They do show up under ultraviolet light, and CGC does use that. So I'm going to show you some stills using the ultraviolet light, and you can see what I'm talking about. So here's the before and after the cleaning, but before the grading. As you can see, the stain is very dark and deep, but it did come out very well. I was pleased with the end results with the cover. There's still some splitting, of course, but that was there before we started. Now, looking at the back cover, that stain is much more prominent. And after grading, we can see it through the plastic in the case, in the CGC case. And you can also see the ultraviolet really showing that the stain is still there. But we did dramatically reduce everything, which I'm very pleased about. Okay, there you have it. If you like the content of the video, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and it gives a lot of support to the channel. We're in the conservation community here for comic books. There's several of us that do these channels, and they're educational, and I hope they mean a lot to you people that are watching and subscribing. If you have a question on anything, or you would like to see me tackle a certain topic, please let me know in the comments section. I will reply to you. Also, we have lots of other projects going on right now, and please do a search on the channel and tell me what you think, and give me your ideas. All right, thanks a lot. Until next time.